Tips for designing small kitchens in small spaces. Be sure to pay more attention to standard tips and design rules. The first point is that in these small spaces, we must continue the cabinet to the ceiling and there should be no gap between the ceiling and the cabinet. The second point is about the color of the cabinets, which is very important that the cabinet be bright. The best option is bright white in these kitchens. And single color cabinets are more recommended for these small spaces. The next point is between the cabinets, which is a light color. So try to use between the cabinets and do not use dark colors. The next point is like the picture, which uses built-in appliances and equipment such as a refrigerator, dishwasher, and built-in hood. It is better for most of the appliances to be built in as much as possible. So you see, the layout has problem. But the main problem is that we said to use hidden appliances and equipment. So, this is a small kitchen. You see, the cabinets continue to the ceiling. Right. The color of the cabinets is bright. Right. Between the cabinets is light. Right. Most of the appliances are built in, like a refrigerator or even a built-in hood and a built-in oven. The next point is that to compensate for the lack of cabinets, we can also use a counter to add to the number of cabinets. So what's wrong with this? This space, which is a small kitchen, using dark color is the first problem. The second problem is that we said that the cabinets should continue until the ceiling. The third point is that the island was enough, and this part that fits the chair is extra. The next point is that the number of standing cabinets here is 2 for this area. It is too much and fill the space. 1 was enough here. The next point is that the light under the cabinet could have been used for lighting. We should put more light in these areas to be brighter. And we could also put brighter lights between the cabinets. If you are interested in educational content on kitchen design or interior design, follow my page.